Ta-da! Apparently the Ipsy All Is Bright Advent Calendar has more than 12 days hidden behind a back panel. So if you're here because you watched my part 1, thank you so much. If you're stumbling on part 2 and you're wondering what happened to the rest of the calendar, it's in the eye above. And if you're here watching either part, God bless you. Hey everyone, I'm Ouai Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel, yada yada yada, 54, love makeup. Alright, moving along quickly, because I did a major YouTube content contributor error, and I posted a video yesterday on a calendar thinking it only had 12 days. Well, guess what? Behind a secret hidden door are the rest of the products, which are now behind me. In case you missed it, this little piece goes like this. The items went 1 through 12. A lot of calendars are 12 days. What they should have done is wrote something for idiots like me or mixed up the numbers, because if I saw number 18 and, like 22, I would have went, oh, more than 12 days. But, I'm an idiot. Ipsy needs a better UI design. Whatever. We're going to continue on and start with day 13. By the way, if anyone cares, because I'm filming on another day, I did get to wear some of the products from days 1 through 12. I have the eyeliner in my waterline. I have the eyeshadow palette on. I have the Milk Cheek product on that has seemed to have disappeared within 20 minutes of applying it. And the ABH lip gloss. Oh, and then the Basic Beauty contour bronzer. Day 13. Seriously? I'm in a mood, just letting you know, because it's super annoying to have to refilm something. Yeah, so if I'm extra cranky, that's why. It's Sunday. I was wearing my Sunday watch football, don't shower, had no makeup on, threw this lovely look together just so I could film this. Yes, so another what I would consider something that goes in an Ipsy bag, sample size. This is from the Balm, and it's Let's Bolt Highlight Illuminator. Oh, I thought it was an eyeshadow. That is quite a dark highlighter, but you know what? It would make a lovely eyeshadow topper. All right, day 14. We have a product from Context, and this is a nail lacquer, and it's in the shade 019 Yesterdays, which seems to be black or a very dark aubergine. Or what's on the outside of the box has nothing to do with the actual color. Interesting. Okay, so it's a sparkly light, I don't know, I don't wear polish, like a beigey off-white. Day 15. Did I mention I'm going to be a little cranky? By the way, meh product. Alright, on to day 15. What is this? From a brand I'm not familiar with called Glow On Fifth Beauty. This is a Keep It Handy Aloe Hand Cream. Ooh, okay, 60 grams or 2 ounces. This is what the packaging looks like. It does come safety sealed. It does have a subtle scent. It is a gel cream. We'll just, because it's called an aloe cream, we'll go with it. It smells like aloe. It's very soft, very light, not obnoxious. Reminds me of something in a spa, but not over herbal. I'm the worst at describing scents. I'm going with not obnoxious. All right, on to day 16. Okay, we have a little sample from Ouai, and this is a scalp and body scrub. All right, on to day 17. Big box, very light. Okay, well, explains why it's really light. What is this? We have from a company called Simple Satch. Fashion meets function. That's all it says. I'm going to presume it's some sort of a makeup round or makeup removing cloth. All right, on to day 18. Yes, okay, so this is from Tula, and it's the Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. And I'm fairly certain I already own this. Let me get it out of the box so I can confirm. Yes, and I believe this is full size. I have this pink one, I just don't know where it is, but I quickly found this. So I received this in a previous Ipsy box, full size Tula product. All right, that's pretty good. On to day 19. Yes, a box within a box. This is from Murad. This is the Skin Smoothing Polish. So an exfoliating cleanser. And this should be quite pricey and or have a decent MSRP value. All right. Apologies what I said yesterday, Ipsy, but when I thought you had 12 items for $99, would you blame me? On to day 20. This too is a very light box. Again, no wonder. It is a beauty sponge of some sort, and it's a small one. This is from Araceli Beauty. All right, who can't use a beauty blending sponge? All right, on to day 21. What is this? We have a product from a brand I'm not familiar with called Grow Gorgeous, and it says repair, straightening hair and scalp mask. Okay, my hair loving followers, guess what's going in a future giveaway? All right, on to day 22. Okay, we got 2 eyeshadow blending brushes from Farah. One is the Blender Brush 25E and the other is the medium angled shading brush 55E. The brushes are very soft. They feel synthetic. The handles are quite light, but I love a good brush, particularly eyeshadow brushes. All right, on to day 23. Another large but very lightweight box. What is this? We have Lash Treat from Treats Beauty. It's a rose infused lash serum. Oh, yes. I don't like the scent of rose, and I can barely... They say rose, I don't smell rose. All right, I do enjoy products such as this, and they do work. You do have to use them daily for 3, 4, 5 plus weeks. So don't try it twice a month and say, oh, I don't see any difference. Every single day for at least 4 weeks, and you will notice a difference. All right, on to the last day, day 24. All right, so we have from the Shishi Bougie super overpriced 111 Skin, the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. This product, he says, add 1 to 2 drops into your moisturizer or face cream and add it to your clean skin. This product alone will help to boost the overall MSRP value of this calendar. I have no idea what this costs, but it's going to be at least north of $50, if not closer to $100. All right, let's recap what came in my part 2, days 13 through 24, and then I'll do a recap of everything that came in this calendar. We got a reusable face round, a beauty blending sponge, an eyelash serum, a nail polish, a single pan highlighter, a brightening eye balm, a repairing hair and scalp mask, a scalp and body scrub, an aloe gel hand cream, a skin polishing exfoliator, a pair of eyeshadow brushes from Farah, and a radiance booster from 111 Skin. What are your thoughts? Do you prefer days 1 through 12 or days 13 through 24? I'm going to list the grand MSRP total of all items day 13 through 24, and let's see what that value is. So as a reminder, days 1 through 12 equal $215. I also noticed days 1 through 12 had more makeup than days 13 through 24. Tended to be more skincare and hair care related. All right, I'm feeling better about this overall box. It definitely was not worth $99 when I thought it was a 12-day calendar, so I'm feeling better. Apologies, Ipsy. Apologies to anyone who only saw part 1 and missed part 2. Would I still buy this box next year? I don't know. I'm on the fence. To me, a lot of these products, the majority were not full size. That is for sure. A lot of these are items you would get in the regular $13 Ipsy bag. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but I prefer full size items. I don't know. What are your thoughts? Of the 4 calendars I've unboxed this year, which one was your favorite and which one would you definitely recommend I do not pick up next year? This box, jury's out. Something will be above my head there. I'm feeling better. I still don't know if this is the best box ever, but it's way better when I thought it was the worst box. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, click that thumbs up, leave me a comment. Both those activities really help with the YouTube algorithm. All right, thanks everyone.